Good morning. So I'm going to check the mail. I am vlogging. I have a whole lot of stuff up there. Ow. But I'm going to check the mailbox. And hopefully none of my neighbors come out and see me talking to a phone. None of it is mine. Hello, little boy. Gotcha. It's a cat. Give me a second. Oh, hello, little cat. Gotcha. Hello. Oh, I'm gonna go wash my hands because that's nasty. I'm going to fix my hair. I look very short, but I don't. I'm gonna fix my hair because like it's not holding up. And also my hair is like not growing right here. And then it just looks weird. Hello. Look.
Yeah.
Hello, little cat. Look at me when I'm talking to you, please. Excuse me. Say hello, Noah. I'm gonna wash my hands. Have to get my scarf so that my hair can stay laid down. Oh, my neighbors are outside. Come here, little kitty cat. Little God. Here's another one. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. Put my scarf on. I am on the way to my gym class. My phone started playing music on the car. So I have my church clothes right here. And I realized that I don't put the days, what day it is, on the video, but today is Wednesday. And I'm wearing a headband to the gym or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. It's called a class. It's a class. And you exercise in it. And it like I was dying last week. Stopped at the bean. My face is disgusting. Always like, I'm scared to vlog like this. I'll be like this. So we're gonna stay like this. Lock the doors. I forgot to record, but I just got from workout. I actually went to like work for an hour and 30 minutes because I don't know. There's Emily. Oh, I can't zoom in. I'm about to go to church. I just got from workout. I'm really tired and my legs are sore. But yeah. And I'm about to go. So I need to get off the phone. In Jesus' name. I'm back home from church. Hey. Hello. So I have something to show you guys. It's a box. It's from $85. No, I did. This is the box, by the way. It's nice shoes. And they might be lame to you, but I really like them. But they're Converse. I haven't had, these are my second pair of Converses, my second pair of name brand shoes, by the way. And they are so cute. Look at them. They even have my name on it, Olivia. And then this side, I don't know. I thought these were so cute. Yeah. And I am wearing these on my birthday. I'm wearing these on my birthday. My birthday is Monday. Today is what's today?
Oh, you
Wednesday.
did. You showed me though.
Yes. Look at them.
What it say on the side? Olivia?
Yes.
You should have put BB.
It's Thursday. It's time to go to work. Hello, little cat.
He was sleeping.
Go back to sleep. I need to wash my hands. Hello, guys. It took me 3 tries to do that. Get out. So, please stay. So, I got a package. ASOS. My neighbors are out and they probably think I'm weird. But I'm about to open this. This is a cute bag. It has like a little handle. So the first pair. Thanks for purchasing from Raid. We hope you love your shoes. Get involved and tag us on Instagram at raid.london. Use hashtag RaidBabe for a chance to win a gift card to the value of your order. Sign up to our newsletter and receive the latest styles and promo codes directed to your inbox. I should be a when I wear heels, but I got these cute heels because first off, I needed some black heels and I cannot jump in the heels that I have that are black now. But I thought these were so cute. Y'all heard that, right? It's a whole fly in here. Get out. I have the whole door open for you. It wasn't a fly, it was a bee too. It was a bee just sitting right there. It stopped recording. I really hope I'm speaking loud enough, but I got these shoes and I think they're adorable. And yeah. What is on my head? On my hair. Okay, so the box is like messed up. So the next shoes that I have, I got these shoes for my birthday. I got these for myself for my birthday. Okay, so the next shoes I got, I thought these were so cute, but I hope my feet don't look bad in them. But they look like this. They're cute. Did they give me a 9? Thank you. Okay, so these are the shoes I got. So I'm about to go now. I was going to get a quesadilla, but I want a burrito this time. I want a spinach wrap. Thank you so much for remembering. I look a mess. Okay, so story time. No, it's not really a story time, but I haven't eaten at Diablo's in a minute, but they remember me, so. I look a mess. You see my double chin?
You got some
Yeah.
Baby, why would you do that?
I'm about to go and get my father something to eat.